Wow. Okay. I didn't realize this thing was formatted. But clearly it is. Okay, so what I have here, I measured the distance from here to here so that up on the wall, when this is attached to here, I will subtract this distance from the total distance up on the wall. Okay, so as you can see on the wall, I measured the distance from this duct right here over to the center line roughly of this thing. I measured it X. X is 63 inches. This duct from here to here, it was 14. Therefore, I needed 49 inches. So 49 inches are right here on this bead. And after looking at their joints, it's good not to have the cut so close on the other side of this bead. So therefore, I'm going to cut it short by 1 inch and just move the wood shaper closer by 1 inch or 2 inches, whatever. So again, the bead I'm referring to is this. 49 inches is right here. So I'm going to cut, use my 10 snip that I purchased for my camper to cut the panels. So I'm going to be using it today. I'm going to clamp this thing down using clamps so that I can get a straight edge. So again, we know where we're going to cut. There's a good indication where we're going to cut, so I am going to extend it past this corner by a little bit. I'm going to use one of my clamps to clamp this thing down. No, okay, I can use it this way. And then I use another clamp on the other side so I have a flat surface. Hopefully I don't distort the sheet metal. Okay, there we go. Now, let's try it out. I have the line right here. First time I use this, I'm very excited. Hopefully, it's a turnkey system where I just plug it in and go with it without having to adjust anything. What's nice about my electrical cords, I had them hanging from the ceiling, which keeps them out of the way from me tripping over. So again, this is very exciting. Let me get my glasses. Anytime I deal with metal, whether I'm drilling a drill press or I am cutting metal, I'm a very big fan on glasses. If I can only find my glasses, we get started. Okay, got my glasses. The edge is far enough from the table. Okay, looks like that's pretty damn close to being straight too. I like that machine. Again, first time I ever used it. We can measure how well I had done based on the other rib. I'm right at 11 there. I'm at 11 and an 8, so I'm 8 inches off, but that's okay. Now, the way I did this on the first one, what you do is you snap them in place. There's this groove right here where this bead fits into, and then on the back side it fits in here. So as you pitch it, actually what I did, which I think makes it a little easier because I'm not that great at it, I used straps to keep the shape of the tube, so that as I do one end, I strap it down, then I can strap in the middle to keep the same shape without having to fight the material. So this should be at the same width. So again, I used it before. Put it on this side. Okay. What's a better idea is, instead of doing it right here at the end, I just improved my technique by putting this in the middle, so that the middle will provide me some additional support as I snap the end. Now just remember, this edge over here could be sharp, so I don't want to grab it. Okay, so as you see, this is holding the piece of material together. I bend this upward, feed it into the slot, and snap it. Okay, but what I should have done is get the other one going over here. Again, I used it before, so therefore I know it's at the right measurement. I'm going to loosen up. These things sometimes are hard to bend. Not bend, but turn. I wish they would design, someone would design a better release mechanism so that once you need to adjust, it won't be so difficult. Okay. There's that. Put this underneath. I was only off maybe a quarter and a half inch. Not sure exact. It was off, therefore I had to open it up. You can hear that popping sound, and you can see the seams nice and tight. I'm going to tighten